Good morning, everybody. This morning we are on our way to the Subaru dealer with some somewhat bad news. I've just reached a little over 48,000 miles, done the routine maintenance, and the weather's up there, and went to go and do my air condition. Woo! Little dip. And it cut out on me. So I want to warn you guys ahead of time. This is something that started way back when I first purchased the vehicle. It'd be sometimes I would turn the AC on and you would hear some knocking in the glove compartment. Now I've learned that if you hear knocking in the glove compartment, that is a sign of your AC blower on its way out or going out. So this is something I should have taken care of with the dealer way back when I first purchased the vehicle, but I didn't because I thought it was just, you know, it went away. And personally, I thought it was something just kind of within the fan that was coming in contact with the fan spinning and just kind of making the noise. It still may be the issue, but you know, eventually it ends up wearing the motor out and being done with it. So this morning we're on our way to the dealer to have it looked over, inspected, and hopefully replaced. I know it needs to be replaced because coming home the other day, I was up in the car burning up because it wouldn't blow out any AC. So, you know, I hope they don't try to come with some nonsense about that, because right now it's actually working okay, but you know, we're about to have a heat wave and I want to make sure that we are cool during this heat wave. So I will keep you guys posted on how things go, let you know what happens, what they take care of, what not, etc. Okay, and then you know, at 48,000 miles, I'm past my manufacturer warranty, so it's not covered. But I did purchase the extended warranty, and it's covered under that, although it will take a $100 deductible. The inspection itself is $150, so, you know, that'll cover that, plus the parts and labor, and etc. I went online before even calling the dealer to check out the part, and the part at the lowest price I've seen is about $115. So if you're not covered under an extended warranty or manufacturer warranty, it's only a $115 part. It's absolutely something we shouldn't have to deal with in a car with so little miles, but if it comes to it, it is only $100 if you can handle doing the install yourself. I was going to do a video on the install, but instead the dealer will be doing the install, so there will not be a video. But there are videos out there, I believe, that you can find that show you how to remove the old AC blower and put in a new one. It's straightforward. It's a quick process. It doesn't take much. Pretty much anybody could do it. So if this is happening to you and you're out of warranty, don't worry about it. It's something you should be able to do yourself if you just have the basic mechanical skills. As we sit here at a stop, you could kind of hear the AC kind of clicking away right now. Okay, so dropped off the Forester at the dealership and picked up a loaner. I like it. I'm impressed. It's a 2020 Outback, and it's has some nice upgrades from, or updates from, 2019 model. So I think they know what they're doing. Get you in something newer, make you want to trade your car in for the newer model. not gonna work for me. I just want to get mine paid off and be happy with it. So, but I will go over some of the new features in this vehicle. I believe it's, you know, same options with the new 2020, or you know what? I didn't even think about this. This, I take it back, it's probably a 2021 Outback. You know, and all the new features in here are probably the same features in the 21 Forester. Not sure, but now they have a full-on, almost like the Tesla big iPad display. Of course, it's not the iPad, and it doesn't do as much as the Tesla, but it has like electronic AC, whatnot, and everything's controlled right here, including X mode. So you got to be real familiar with your vehicle before you go and want to use your X mode, because it's no longer just a knob or a switch to turn it off and on. Another thing I will display shortly is the improved, well, I guess it's lane stay. I don't think it's improved. I think it's actually different. In the 2019 model, it basically would just, if you start drifting out of your lane, it'll bring you back, but it would not keep you, you know, it wouldn't drive and keep you centered in the lane. So now it works to where it drives and keeps you centered in the lane, and I like it. I'm impressed. Only downside to it is you can't enjoy it too long, because if you keep your hands off the steering wheel for too long, it warns you, and the warning gets, you know, louder and louder, and just, you know, trying to get your attention to keep your hands on the steering wheel. So it's definitely not a feature to be used as a kickback, relax and enjoy the ride type of thing, but it is nice and improved. So we're gonna get on the freeway now, and I'll go ahead and display that for you. You know, and that's it. As you can see, it's like holding center in the lane. If I were to be going around a corner, it would keep it centered rather than waiting till you get close to the line and want to jerk you back like in my vehicle. And now the warning, as you can see, is coming on. Keep your hands on the steering wheel, please. So if you guys are considering a newer vehicle than your 19 or etc., 2021 made some good changes. I'm impressed with it. I like them. Unfortunately, I will not be upgrading because I am happy with my vehicle and I want to get it paid off. So anyway, I'll be posting an update video ASAP as soon as I get my vehicle back, and let you know the updates on what was going on with the AC, whether it was the AC blower motor, which I believe it is because it had the symptoms. So I will give you a complete update on what the dealer tells me, and that's it. So be on the lookout for the next video.